I'm Lily with Carrick & Associates. The purpose of this video is to explain the patent sign-off process, in which the inventors sign the filing papers necessary for submitting a patent application. Today we're going to review all of the filing papers you should have received as attachments in the transmittal email that included a draft of your patent application. First, you should review the draft of your application and drawings. You should carefully proofread both for accuracy and completeness. If you have any questions or changes, forward them to the attorney for inclusion or revision. Next, there are several filing papers, which I will discuss in greater detail, which must be signed. The easiest way to sign these forms is with an e-signature. An e-signature is when the inventor types his or her name between forward slashes in the signature line. Exactly what is typed between the forward slashes is not actually important, though it is typically the name of the person signing. Alternatively, you can print the form, physically sign it, scan it in, and email it back. The first document that requires a signature is the declaration, which is signed by each inventor to certify that they have contributed to the invention. The signature line is on the bottom of the first page. The second document that requires a signature is a power of attorney form, which is either signed by all inventors or by an officer of an assignee, such as a corporation. The signature block is at the bottom of page 2. No changes should be made to the first or third pages. Also attached may be a certification of microentity status form if you are filing as a microentity. Each inventor and any assignee must sign this form. You will sign on the bottom of the first page. The final form that you may have received is an assignment to a corporation or other legal entity or person. Please proof the first page of the assignment to confirm that there are no typos in the names and addresses of the parties. Then sign at the bottom of the page. The assignment is the only form that must be physically signed and then scanned back in. If you want to maximize the protection of the assignment, you can have the document signed before a notary public to prove that the document was properly signed by the named person. But this step is commonly skipped if there is other evidence of the form being signed. We have also included a document titled ADS, or Application Data Sheet, which includes all of the information regarding the inventors and other details of the application. You should carefully proof this information for accuracy, especially the spelling of all inventor names and any assignee information. Let us know if there are any changes required. Once you've reviewed, signed, and returned these filing papers and any assignments, we will be ready to file your application with the Patent and Trademark Office. Once we have completed filing, the earliest we typically receive a response is about 6 months, either asking for some revision or granting registration. Unfortunately, the USPTO does not always get back to us this promptly. Thank you for taking the time to carefully consider and review all of these terms and steps. I hope this video was helpful in answering any questions you may have had about filing a design patent application. We at Carrick & Associates wish you the very best of luck in all your entrepreneurial endeavors, and please, don't hesitate to call or email if you have any questions or would like to discuss the matter further.